Good setup, ball underneath your left eye. Left shoulder down, right shoulder down and through. Good. Let it come from the shoulders. Let that right shoulder drive down and through on that follow through. Much better.